All right, guys, now you people can hear me. All right, guys, now you people. You guys can. Okay, so let's continue with the session. Yeah, now it's okay. So, hi, welcome back, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Drisha, everyone. Cupcake, Sanjay, everybody who is present in the class. Now everything is fine. You people can hear me. And अभी कोई भी लैग, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हमें रोक नहीं सकती है ये क्लास करने से, है ना? Finally, we have fixed everything. Hi, welcome back, welcome back. Oh, अच्छा अभी वॉइस बहुत ज्यादा लाउड हो गई है. चलो जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आई गेस आई एम डूइंग वाईटी सेशन आफ्टर अ वीक, है ना? हम एक वीक के बाद मिल रहे हैं. हाय संजय, हेलो एवरीबॉडी. सो जल्दी से स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. ओके अच्छा, वॉइस बहुत ज्यादा लाउड है. तो गाइज देर इज अ वॉल्यूम बटन ना, यू आई गेस यू पीपल शुड एडजस्ट विद दैट. यस. तो चलो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. वेलकम बैक टू दिस सेशन. अब मेरे को तो आई थिंक मैंने आपको 10-12 बार तो आज वेलकम कर ही दिया है. So guys, my name is Shubhkarman Kaur and I am your maths educator. You guys know that, and I am just going to tell all the students about myself, all the kids who are watching my class for the very first time. Okay, you are Aradhya. ठीक है. Okay. So guys, I teach mathematics to the students of class 6, 7 and 8 on Unacademy platform. So अगर तो आपको maths पढ़ना है, if you guys love to learn maths, and if you guys find maths little tough, complicated, then also I will be there to help you, to guide you at every step. आपको क्या करना है? You just have to go and start following me on Unacademy's application. हाँ जी, आपको पहले Unacademy's app download करना है. Then you have to click on, you have to search for my profile and then you have to follow me. Now, if you will follow me, then whenever I will have a session, you will always get a notification, you will always get a reminder. आपको message मिल जाएगा कि मैम की क्लास होने वाली है. Now see, whenever I have a class on YouTube, sometimes you people forget that I have a session, right? Because you have not subscribed or you haven't pressed the bell icon. अगर आप यहाँ पे subscribe कर लोगे, you will get a notification whenever any educator will come live. So you have to tap on the bell icon as well. Same way, if you will follow me on the application, तो आपको 5 to 10 minutes prior you will get a message कि मैम की class start होने वाली है. Whatever you're doing, leave that task and get ready for the session. 7 p.m. वाली क्लास में मजा आएगा. I will recreate that session after few days. Don't worry, वो क्लास हम बिल्कुल करेंगे. For now, let's begin with this session. Okay. Yeah. So guys, go and call all your friends to the class. Today's topic is algebraic identities. A topic that you people, I'm sure there is no student who would say, ma'am, ye mera favorite topic hai. Do we have anybody who says ki, ma'am, this is my favorite topic. I love solving algebraic questions, especially when it comes to identities. Anybody out there? Okay, so once you'll start following me, you will always be able to, you will also be able to give me your lovely hats, right? So let's quickly get started with this. But one thing I want to tell you here is, once you have downloaded Unacademy's app, and then you can start learning with me on the application, right? So on the app, you will be able to see lots of free maths classes in which I will be teaching you important maths topics. So to watch all those sessions, you have to unlock the classes, and for unlocking, you have to use my code SK16. So SK16 is my code, everybody, that you people have to, use if you want to unlock the classes. Okay, hi Mansi. Yes. चलो, let's quickly get started and I'm going to show you कि आज की क्लास में हम क्या करने वाले हैं, क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं. So in today's class, we will be talking about algebraic identities. Now, before I start with this session, I am going to remind you that we had a few sessions in which we talked about algebra, algebraic expressions, algebraic equations, all these things, right? Ma'am, अच्छा आप एक class? Okay, sure, Drisha. You can find out better reasons to cry, Drisha. I don't think this is the best one. Yeah. So, in this session, we are going to talk about algebraic identities. Do you have any idea how many algebraic identities are there? How many identities are there? Or if you have studied any of them, कोई भी algebraic identity आपने स्कूल में, टेक्स्ट बुक में, आपके फ्रेंड से, कहीं से भी आपने सुनी हो या सीखी हो, do you have any idea how many identities are there? Okay, we have an answer, 6 identities. 25 is just a random number, but not the number of identities for sure. Anyone else? Okay, 25. Infinite. All right. Okay, so basically there are so many identities, right? Fine. Okay, Cupcake, relax. So in this session, we are going to talk about few very important ones. Plus, I will teach you the method how to create identities. So you can create your own identity. Yes, आप अपनी खुद की identities बना सकते हो. You can take up any random variables and you can create an identity. I will just teach you कि कैसे इनको create कैसे करते हैं. And then I'll also give you the list of identities. Then you people can try it on all of them. Okay. NCERT में 10 या 11 है. Oh, okay. All right. ठीक है, तो जल्दी से start करते हैं. Now, we are going to talk about equalities and identities. Guys, जो हमारी algebraic identities होती हैं, सबसे पहले वो क्या होती हैं? हमारी equations होती हैं. If there is an algebraic identity, it will be an equation also. So before we start discussing about the algebraic identities, हम पहले ये देखते हैं कि equation क्या होती है and how we can deal with the equations, right? So let's take an example. This is an equation. This is a plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 2a plus 5. Now, why this is an equation? Because there is an equal to sign. There is equal to sign. So whenever you see कि equal to sign draw कर रहा है ना, it means कि वो एक equation है. Simple. This is very simple thing. अगर is equal to sign है, it means वो एक algebraic equation है. Now, suppose अभी I am also going to tell you a bonus tip. Suppose यहाँ पे variables missing है. Suppose there is no variable and it is like 7 plus 1 square is 60 plus 4. Right? So if you're solving it, 7 plus 1, 8 square, it is equals to 64. Now here you see कि is equal to sign is there. है ना is equal to sign. तो ये एक इक्वेशन भी होगी फॉर श्योर. बट यहाँ पे कोई भी वेरिएबल हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. देयर इज नो वेरिएबल. सो इस तरह की इक्वेशंस को आप बोल सकते हो अरिथमेटिक इक्वेशंस, because this is still an equation but not any algebra component is there. There is no algebra component. Variables यहाँ पे नहीं है, because where there is a variable there is algebra, right? So यहाँ पे variable नहीं है, तो this is an arithmetic equation. Okay, but here we will be dealing with the algebraic equations and equalities. Equalities and equation words both mean the same. Chalo, let's continue. Yes, so we have this. Just give me a second. If you people have any doubt at any step, you can let me know in the chat box. Okay. Yeah. So this is a plus 1 square is equals to 2a plus 5. Now, are you sure कि ये दोनों left hand side and right hand side equal होंगी? How many students can say कि ma'am I am very much sure कि a plus 1 whole square जो हमारी left hand side है वो RHS right hand side के बिल्कुल equal होगी? I am तो very sure. Hi Rashi, welcome. No, we cannot say that. We can't say that. क्यों? Because जो हमारा variable है, इसकी जो value है वो fixed नहीं है. Its value can change. I cannot say कि this is going to be fixed forever, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to find out that for which value of a the equation is this is an equation. कि a की ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू होनी चाहिए कि जो हमारी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है वो राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल आ जाए. तो हम यहाँ पे एक मेथड ट्राई करेंगे विच इज hit and trial method. So what is hit and trial method? That means you will just take a random number. I have taken a is equals 1. Let us assume that what if a is 1? So what I'm going to do here, I will put a is equals to 1 in this equation and I will try to verify कि क्या left hand side right hand side के equal है, right? So now we are going to just put in the values, right? You have a plus 1 square, a is 1, so this is 1 plus 1 whole square, which is 2 square, that is 4 on the left hand side. Now when we put the same value on the right hand side, we have 2 ones are 2 plus 5 7, which is right hand side. Now what do you understand from here? यहाँ से आप क्या देख रहे हो कि this is not an equation guys, ये equation है ही नहीं, because 4 is not equals to 7, 4a is equals to 1. कि अगर आपकी a की वैल्यू 1 है then this is not an equation. a is equals to 1 के लिए ये equation नहीं है, right? So from this we conclude this statement that a plus 1 whole square is equals to 2a plus 5. It might be an equality, but जब a की वैल्यू 1 है उस केस में ये एक equation नहीं होगा. Hi Janvi, welcome back after years. Yes, okay. So अब a is equals to 1 के लिए तो हमारा प्लान बिल्कुल फेल हो गया है ना. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, we will take some other examples. a की वैल्यू कुछ और पिक कर सकते हो. So guys, आपको क्या करना है, you have to take this equation. इसमें a की कुछ और वैल्यू पुट करो, -1 3 2 7 5 4 whatever you want to, and मेरे को बताओ कि कौन सी a की वैल्यू के लिए ये equation you can verify that this is an equation. Hi. Yes, everybody put in the value for a and let me know कि a की कौन सी वैल्यू के लिए ये equation valid होगा. Also let me know कि मैम मैंने a is equals to 3 put करा है and this is not equal. If that is the case, then also just let me know. कोई भी एक value put करो and just tell me what you see. Let's say Natkhat is putting a is equals to 3. Cupcake is putting a is equals to 4. Janvi is putting a is equals to 7. Drisha is doing a is equal to 2. Okay. So Drisha is saying a is equals to 2 के लिए. This is an equation or not? Natkhat 6 के साथ होगा कि नहीं? You have to tell me ना. मैं ले आऊँ या फिर pen and paper? I should solve and I should tell you. Hi Bidesh. Okay, I guess it is true for a is equals to 2. Okay, let me check this. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, verify करेंगे it for a is equal to 2. Okay, it's not. Thank you Bidesh, thank you so much. Let me try this out. So yes, when you put a is equals to 2 plus 1 whole square, this is 3 square is 9. On the other side it's 2 into 2 is 4 plus 5 is 9, and clearly left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is Mansi, that is, see, look, it is clearly equal. Okay, very right. Now we see that for a is equal to 2, ये एक बिल्कुल ट्रू इक्वेशन है. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज एन algebraic इक्वेशन, राइट, विद अ वेरिएबल. यहाँ पे वेरिएबल कौन सा है इस इक्वेशन में? a. With variable a which is true for only one value, that is a is equals to 2. a is equals to 2 के लिए ये जो है this equation can be simplified and the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, is this clear to everyone? Okay, so chalo, let's move on and let's see what next we are going to do. So here is another equation. I'm again going to give you some values. You just have to put in the value in the given equation and you have to let me know what is the answer, right? Yes, this is another equation. A square plus 3a plus 2 equals a into 1 a plus 1 into a plus 2. Now we will verify it for a is equals 1. So why don't you solve it? If we have any girls in the class, the girls will be solving the left hand side and all the boys will be solving the right hand side and telling me the answer. Do we have anybody from the boys side? Okay, so girls have given me a very quick answer, which is A. Left hand side is 6. A is equals 6. What about boys? A is equal to 2 makes the equation. Makes it equation. Okay. So if chalo, I'll do one thing. I will become a boy. Okay, I'll do this part. So it's 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2. You have 2 into 3, that is 6. So what do you see here? We see that left hand side and right hand side is true even for a is equals to 1. विदेश देखो ना यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि a is equals to 1 के लिए भी value true है. This is true for even a is equals 1, right? It means that this equation is true for a is equals 1. Now, if we verify it for a is equals to 2, अभी हम क्या करेंगे? We will put the value of a as 2. Let's do it again. So when you put a is equals to 2, what do you get as left hand side answer and what do you get as right hand side answer? Ma'am, what is the answer of 2? Sanjay, you just have to put a is equals to 2 in both sides. So Gursevak is saying it's 12, but ये 12 आंसर किसके लिए है? LHS के लिए है या RHS के लिए है? Gursevak, will you please tell me that as well? Hi, this is Preeto, I guess. Oh, okay. So Bidesh wants to tell me कि ma'am, no matter what you're taking as the value of a, the equation will be satisfied. Let us see that, everyone. Well, you've seen that it is also true for a is equals to 2. That's great. Now what we are going to do, we will be putting the value of a is equals to 3 as well, and we will see that for all the values of a, the equation will be true. आप कोई भी value put कर रहे हो, whatever you are taking as a, आपकी जो equation होगी वो in every case it will hold true. हर case में वो बिल्कुल true होगी. क्यों? Why this is happening in this case only? Because when you will simplify this, जब आप इसको simplify करोगे, जब आप इसको expand करोगे right hand side को, तो आपको आपकी left hand side ही मिलेगी and ultimately the very good, yes, ultimately ये दोनों equal हैं because these are the factors. These are the factors of the right hand side. चलो आगे चलते हैं. Let's move on. And now algebraic equations which are true for all the values of the variables, उनको बोला जाता है identities. Identities वो होती है कि आप maths में कहीं पे भी उनको use कर लो. Now when we are working with identities हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sometimes we say a is equals to this, b is equals to this, a plus b whole square. So no matter कि a की value क्या है, b की value क्या है, when you will put these values in the formula, answer will always be true. Answer will always be the satisfied one. It will always be verified. क्यों? क्योंकि algebraic identities सारी values के लिए बिल्कुल true होती हैं. Now in the same way, we are going to form the algebraic identities, right? Before that, I have a small quiz for all of you. Let us see who is going to win this quiz. So what you have to do here is you have to find the number which makes both sides of the equation equal. I will show you an equation. There will be a left hand side and a right hand side, and आपको बताना है कि options में से कौन सा ऐसा number है that is making the equation true. So are you ready, everybody? Hi everybody. Are you ready for this fun? Wait a minute. Hi Rohan. Sanjay, that is Aradhya. Aradhya, when you're doing 2 square, that is 4. And when you're doing 4 minus 0, the answer is 4 only. Yes, the very first question on your screen. A plus 3 and 3a minus 5. इनको आप कैसे equal करोगे? कौन सी value होनी चाहिए a की? What should be the value of A to make these equations equal. I mean, to make this an equation. Whoever will give me the fastest answer in the chat box, I will consider that student as the winner. Okay. Prito gave us the first answer. That's 4. Anyone else? 4. Okay, it's 4 for everybody. All right, let's check this. This is 4 plus 3. That's 7. 3 into 4 minus 5. That's 12 minus 5. That's 7. Very nice. That's not Prito. Who is that? Oh, I'm so sorry. Very good. So it's Gursevak only. Okay, so Gursevak Singh has given me the correct answer and he is the winner. Question number 2 on your screens. A plus 1 whole square and 2a plus 5. You have a plus 1 whole square on one side and 2a plus 5 on the other side. Whoever will give me the fastest answer is the winner. Repeating, everyone. Okay. 2. So this time we have a competition. We have 2 answers. One by Nutcut here and the second one is by Gursevak. Let us see which one is the correct answer. And here we go. Oops, so sorry Gursevak. Nutcut got the point this time. It's 2 only. Yes. So if you are writing 2 plus 1 whole square is equals 2 multiplied by 2 plus 5. This is 3 square, that's 9. This is 4 plus 5 and that is 9. Same example we discussed also, right? Yeah, okay, next one, next question, third one, and it is here. 2 into a minus 2 and 8 minus a. Ma'am, 2 as 9 satisfies. Yes, very right, Bidesh, very right. Third question, and the fastest answer is by Gursevak again. Okay. Anybody who wants to... Oops, Trisha, little late. So let me just verify this. 2 into 4 minus 2. That is 2 into 2. That's 4. And clearly 8 minus 4. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. The correct answer is 4. So guys, the winner of this round is Gursevak. Congratulations, Gursevak. Nice. Chalo, let's move on. And now I'm going to show you some real identities. Okay. Yes. Let's take this example, right? We have to find the product. In the previous sessions, we had a class in which we talked about multiplication of the algebraic expressions. If you remember, हमने एक सेशन करा था जहाँ पे हमने देखा था कि algebraic expressions को multiply कैसे किया जाता है. So here you can see you have 2 algebraic expressions and they are in multiplication. You have to multiply them. In both the algebraic expressions, there are two terms. So they are binomials. This means this type of multiplication is called as multiplication of a binomial with the binomial. If any of my student does not know how to multiply binomials, guys, please go back and watch my previous session in which I discussed this topic. Okay? Yes. For now, I'm going to show you how it works. So, जब भी आपको बाइनोमियल को बाइनोमियल के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आपको क्या करना है? You will pick up the first term of the first binomial. First binomial की first term उठाओ और उसको second binomial के साथ multiply कर दो directly. Then, whatever sign is there between them, put that sign, pick up the second term and then multiply it with the second binomial. इस तरह से आप binomials को binomial से multiply करते हो. But इस question में there is a special case. अब वो special case क्या है कि हमारी first term और first term A है, means the first term is same. Also the second term and second term is also same. Not just that, दोनों में साइन भी प्लस का ही है. तो कैन आई राइट इट एज a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर? वी कैन डेफिनेटली राइट इट दिस वे. लिख सकते हैं हम इसको ऐसे. yes or no? yes, a big yes. okay, let's continue now. Now we are going to multiply this. तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे a को a प्लस b के साथ एंड b को a प्लस b के साथ. नाउ give me your answers. What do you get on multiplying a with a? जब आपने a को a के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, what do you get? a square. Very nice. And when you multiply a with b, what do you get? Hi Harsha. Hi, thank you for the answer. It's ab. Then you multiply b with a, that's ba again. And you multiply b with b, it's b square. And आपका final answer कुछ ऐसा दिखने वाला है, a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. Now, very very important thing here is, guys, a multiply b करो चाहे b multiply a करो, the answer is same in both of the cases because of which property? कौन सी property है जिस वजह से ab and ba बिल्कुल same हो गए हैं? This is the commutative property of multiplication. Okay, yes, chalo, let's move on. So if ab and ba is same, I can replace them, right? So ab plus ab is 2ab, and this is why a plus b whole square opens up and expands and it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is an identity क्योंकि इसकी RHS LHS से ही मिली है. We have expanded and multiplied the left hand side and we got the right hand side. So this is called as a standard identity. क्योंकि ये identity हमने कैसे create करी है? Through a binomial expansion. So all the steps are clear to everybody or not? Just let me know आपको ये सारे steps clear हुए हैं कि नहीं. After that, we will try one more that we all are going to do all together. Is this clear to everyone? So from now onwards, आपको learn नहीं करना है बिल्कुल उसको a plus b whole square क्या है, a minus b whole square क्या है. No need to remember and learn these identities. You just have to know the method of forming these identities, and whenever somebody asks you this, you'll just create that in your mind and you're good to go. Okay, I am going to share a list of some standard identities with all of you. This is the identity for a plus b whole square. This is for a minus b whole square. This one is for a square minus b square. This one is the case when the first term is same but the second term is different. Now this one is for trinomial expansion. This is for a plus b whole cube. This is for a minus b whole cube. So in all these identities, you can obtain all of them through binomial expansion, right? Binomial expansion करोगे तो आपको ये identities मिल जाएगी. Now you can also, I'm showing this slide to you so that you people can, make a note of all these. But आपको इनमें से कोई भी learn नहीं करनी है, कोई भी identity है, you can expand it and you will get the answer. अब हम देखेंगे कि हमारे पास जो a minus b whole square है, what is the answer to that and why that is the answer. हमारे पास a minus b का whole square का आंसर क्या है और क्यों है, that we are going to do, वो हम solve करेंगे, and after that we are also going to do a quiz. Okay, so a minus b whole square can be written as a minus b multiplied by a minus b. Now the same way you had multiplied in the previous case, we will do the same thing. First, I'm taking this term a and multiplying it with a minus b. Then I'm using this minus sign, writing b and multiplying this with a minus b. Is this clear to everybody till this point? Okay, now we are going to do multiplication of monomials with the binomial. So when you open this as a multiplied by a, this gives you a square. Now, a multiplied by b gives you ab. A is positive, b is negative. So plus minus minus, the sign here will be negative, right? Now, one very important thing that we are going to discuss here. You see that here we have minus outside the bracket. This is a bracket and we have minus outside the bracket, right? So when you are multiplying and opening this, the signs will change. All the signs will change. When you multiply a with b, this becomes minus ba. And when you multiply b with b, this becomes b square. And minus becomes plus, because you know whenever you have two different signs it becomes plus. Sorry, whenever you have two same signs it will become plus, and when you have two different signs it will always become minus, right? Now you have a square minus ab minus ba, that is same, that gives you minus 2ab, and finally plus b square is your final answer. And this is the formula for a minus b whole square standard identity. This is how you expand this identity. Now, this is not only valid for these two identities. You can pick up any identities left hand side, open and expand, and you will get the answer which is there on the right hand side. Yes. So do not wonder anymore why these identities are equal, why this left hand side is equal to this right hand side. So let's move on, and we are going to do a small mini quiz for all of you, and after that we are also going to have a quiz on the application. So all the students who are watching the class right now, guys, अगर आपने Unacademy's app download नहीं करा अभी 2 मिनट में फटाफट से app download कर लो, because we are going to do a quiz on the application. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you guys enjoyed this session, do make sure you all hit the like button. And my class will be conducted every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So ab se from now onwards, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday without any gap, you will have a class with me at 8:30 p.m. Yes, हर मंडे वेंसडे फ्राइडे को आपकी क्लास होगी. नेक्स्ट सेशन हमारा हो रहा है वेंसडे को, एंड ऑन वेंसडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फैक्टराइजेशन चैप्टर, कि फैक्टर्स कैसे फॉर्म करते हैं, हाउ यू गाइस कैन मेक फैक्टर्स, और वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग द वेरी फर्स्ट मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग फैक्टर्स. सो इफ एनीबडी इज लुकिंग फॉर दैट सेशन, मेक श्योर you all subscribe to the channel. Moving on, here is a list of my upcoming special classes on Unacademy's app. So if you want to learn about some world records in the field of mathematics, so this class will be conducted on just give me a second, 24th. Yes, 24th of November. This class will be conducted on 24th, so you guys can join in this session. Plus, if you want to learn divisibility tricks, I'm going to have 2 important sessions for all of you. If you want to learn factorization in detail, for that I will be launching a course. But if you guys want practice, then this is a free class that you people can watch. Ma'am, why are you laughing? Good Sevak, because the world records class was today, but due to some problem, the class was not conducted. That's why I'm laughing. Okay, then applications of perimeter and area. This is an important topic. Sunday special fun class we are going to have. We have a class on line graph and some important fun classes for all of you. My class timing is 7 p.m. daily. Every day at 7 p.m. you'll have a class. Use my code SK16 to unlock all the classes, and this code will give you 10% discount when you will subscribe to Plus or Iconic subscription of Unacademy. I want to just remind everybody that once you get the Plus and Iconic subscription, you can watch all the Plus courses and batches. If you will be using SK16 code for getting your subscription, आपको मिल जाएगा 10% extra discount, और उसके बाद आप कोई भी बैच या कोई भी कोर्स में एनरोल कर सकते हो. Plus we have Unacademy's raise a hand feature, with the help of which you can talk to me during a live class. You can speak to me. आप मेरे से बात कर सकते हो, आप मेरे से अपना डाउट पूछ सकते हो. So for class 6 we have a batch named Udan, which is an all subject batch. So you will be learning 5 subjects in this batch, and maths classes will be conducted every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5:30 p.m. Class 6 students, a special message for all of you. In this batch, I'm going to teach ratios chapter. So if you guys are facing a problem, so don't worry anymore. I'm bringing this class. Now for class 7 students also we have Udan all subjects batch. So here in this batch also you will be doing five courses. Maths classes will be conducted every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 4:15 p.m. Science sessions will be there, SST, English and Hindi, all the 5 subjects you guys are learning. And class 7 students, Algebra chapter you are going to learn with me in detail. Yes, तो जिसको भी algebra को और detail में study करना है, this is the course. Go and get yourself enrolled. For class 8, the course is going on and I am teaching factorization in detail. So factorization I have already taught. ये हम कर चुके हैं chapter और अगर आपने miss कर दिया है guys, make sure you subscribe and you can definitely watch the recordings anytime. Plus I'm also going to begin this on YouTube, and introduction to graphs chapter also we are going to start very soon. So आपको term 2 का full syllabus you people will be able to see on these classes. Watch my maths class every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 5:30 p.m. Okay, so guys, don't forget to join my Telegram channel for all the updates. And now we are going to start our mini quiz. Here we are. Yes, so you have to find out which expansion will give you the question. C square plus 4bc plus 4b square. Out of all the 4 options, which one you should expand, A, B or C or D, to get the answer? Let me know your answers in the chat box. Very quick, huh, Gursevak? Gursevak said it's option number C. Anybody else would like to challenge him? Well, this is very clear. Either option number A or option number B is the answer because there is a minus. So minus तो हो ही नहीं सकता है यहाँ पे. We just discussed. Now, this is 2C plus B. This is C plus 2B. So A square will be C square. So clearly Gursevak is the winner. Very nice. Very good. So Gursevak and Bidesh give me the answer. Next question is here. 9C square minus 16B square. Here we're using the third identity. We're using the third identity here, A square minus B square. So this is A plus B and A minus B. Clearly, these are not the answers. D, Gursevak. Let me see. Okay, he changed his answer. Yeah. Yes, it is option number A. Well done. Gursevak and Mansi have given the fastest answer. Last question is here. 4C square plus 12BC plus 9B square. What's the correct option here? C. Okay, this is Gursevak versus Arathi. So 4C square, clearly it is 2C plus 3B square. Well done once again. The winner of this exercise is also Gursevak once again. Well done. So let's move on, everybody. Don't feel bad if you guys can't give the fastest answer. You can at least give me the answer. Let's get started with our live quiz, which is going to start in few minutes. The live quiz code for today is 729322. Super duper easy questions are there. Very super easy questions are there. There will be 5 questions and you have to answer every question in 20 seconds. Let's quickly get started with this. Go on, everybody, join in this. I'm going to share the quiz code with all of you on my Telegram channel also. Don't forget to follow me on the application. And now I'll see you people in the next class on factorization. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining. Have a